Welcome to another episode of Grand Central Kitchen, the haircutting special. On your mark, get set, go! I only have 9 haircuts to do today. Usually it's 10, but River did his own a few days ago, so I don't have to mess with that one. First up is Borden, one of my 3 adult sons. We have 9 boys. My oldest son is married and his wife cuts his hair now, so I don't have to do his. But I'll need to cut my husband's hair as well. Tonight when he gets home from work, that is. And I'll even give my daughter a hair trim. I have 3 daughters, but I only have to cut one of them today. Now, you're going to get the 15-minute version of this video, but it will actually take a while. 3 hours to be exact. Although you may not be able to tell right off, I did not go to hair school for this. But after watching my boys get their hair cut down at the beauty shop years ago, time and time again, I realized that I was seeing a pattern in the way the ladies cut their hair. I was paying attention, and after asking a series of questions the last few times that I came in, I decided to start cutting their hair on my own. It was a great way to save money. We started out by saving $150 a month. But after having a few more boys, we saved a lot more than that. Plus, we have a really good time. Now I just watch a few YouTube videos that have the trendy haircuts for the year, the tutorials, and then I go with that. I just do the best I can. Still, it's a lot of work when you aren't doing it every day. So about every 3 or 4 months, I'll just take them elsewhere. Or I'll just have them try and take a whack at it themselves. And then they just do it on their own. It usually looks pretty good, actually. It's good practice for all of us. The best part is, it's free. And if I mess up, hair grows back fast. It's always a good idea for me to take a break between haircuts, just to get a drink of water, dance a little, get off my feet and take a breath. I use this time to get recentered. I just feel better taking a break. And then it's on to the next haircut. I'll do the little ones first so they don't run off. The twins will be next. This is Raiden. He's 5 years old. He is our 11th child and our 8th son. He has quite the personality. And of course, it's kind of hard to ignore the other kids in the room. That little dancing queen there is my daily joy. And the boy in the orange, that's Rush. You might have met him in the other video. Hey, that little towhead who just walked in, that's Ripton. He's 5. He's the other twin. And he is hilarious. He is our 12th child. Yep, 12th. And he is our 9th son. That's right. And he is a busybody for sure, as you can see. Another thing I learned from the beauty shop was to clean up after every haircut. You just sweep it all in a pile and then eventually put it in a dustpan and throw it away. It really keeps the area clean and from spreading it all over the house. Ooh, that one's feisty today. I'm not sure why he didn't want to get his hair cut this time, but at least he's holding still. You're going to love the little owie sounds he makes the whole way through. There I go, cleaning up again. But it'll certainly help it from going all over the house, like I said. And so it's time for haircut number 4 today. This is Chantry. Remember, he's 14. Going on 18. You know those kind, right? And be sure to remember, although this is a planned event, meaning I've known all day I was going to cut their hair, well, I actually knew this whole week I was going to cut their hair. But there is not one part of this video that was scripted. Not a single one. I just let these kids keep it real. I'm not saying that it's not a good idea to have it scripted. I'm just saying we haven't got to that point yet. We're just taking it as it comes, one day at a time. Like I said, what you see is what you get. And as you can see, everyone's starting to get tired. And with that, our next up is Daily Joy. She's our 10th child and our 3rd little girl. What a blessing and a bundle of joy she's been. You can say she's got moves to groove and that she has an endless supply of energy. I am amazed by the amount of endurance she has. That little girl can go, go, go. 6th haircut of the day. This is Rush. He's 10 years old. Now for a sideshow from the Bopsy twins. These two have an endless amount of energy. They have something called determination, and they just don't stop until they drop. I love it when Rush spills the beat and he can't even hide it. Oh look, my husband's home. We love it when Daddy gets here. He'll be next for the haircut, so he can grab a shower. That makes for 7 haircuts today so far. I love this man with all that I am. He works so hard for our family. I guess we all do, but he just works the hardest. He is the sole provider of our family. You'd think I'd earn money with all that I do, but I just save our family money with all that I do. Yippee, it's Ozias. He's our 8th child, and our 8th son, and our 8th haircut tonight. And no, I absolutely did not plan it that way. And of course, there's always one or two who want a little more of this or that, a little more taken off, a little more detail. And here's me. I'm just looking forward to getting off my feet. Then finally, last but not least, is Knight. With a K, like a knight in shining armor. Knight is our 4th son, our 6th child, and our 9th haircut of the night. Boy, am I excited to be done. But we can't sign off without a show from Rush. This kid is hilarious. Everybody loves to dance in this house. We love to have a dance party all the time. Then look who's up. It's River. He won't need a haircut. He cut his just a few days ago. He'll probably have me trim the edge though. He's a good kid. He's our other adult son, still living at home. One of those millennial types, you know? Ones who aren't quite ready to go off into the real world. They just barely make enough money to pay their car payment, their gas, and their insurance. What the heck do they think this is? Hopefully, sometime this year, he'll grow his wings and move out on his own. But that's all I can hope for now. If you have any questions, you're certainly welcome to comment below. Be sure to click like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'll start doing live videos from the kitchen so you can see our grand central kitchen, because there's always a party going on in here. There's always something happening. Someone walking through. The sliding glass doors are just off to the left. That takes the kids into the backyard. So it's a very highly active part of our home. That's why we chose this to be the one that we show our videos from. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you've enjoyed the things that I've told you and taught you about our family. I'm hoping that it might inspire you in some way or get your mind thinking of some things that you can do differently or better. And it might just help you feel better about yourself altogether, because maybe we're not that great, but we're just doing the best we can, like everybody should be. I sure hope you've enjoyed our Grand Central Kitchen haircutting special tonight. I hope you find the desire to be more, love more, and give more. That's all for this evening. Take care. Good night. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. We love comments too.